Hey everyone. So today I just want to really quickly take you through a new Chrome extension that I've developed. It's called Sitemap. And if you've ever used a tool like BuiltWith or Wappalizer, you'll get the idea immediately. When I was selling SEO products and digital marketing packages and websites, I would always use those tools to kind of find out how a website or web application was built. It would help with things like suggestions and proposals, and it just gives you a better idea of how somebody developed that site. So I'll come over here. This is my website. I'm just going to open up the plugin quickly to give you an idea. So just click on the plugin. It'll take a second to scan the tab. Then what it does is it'll give you a whole bunch of information on that website. So clicking any of these site logos or site icons will actually take you to the URL that those images are hosted at. It'll give you the technology stack. So my website is a WordPress site built with Elementor and WooCommerce for e-commerce. Clicking any of these technologies will give you a little description and actually a link to that technology's page if you don't know what it is. So it'll give you the site builder, it'll give you analytics and tracking, any marketing personalization that website has. And again, just gives you a quick little description on the technology page. So here I start to get into stuff that I thought was missing from BuiltWith that I would always be looking for. So if there are any social profiles, I don't have any linked on my homepage, but it'll have the X link or Facebook link or whatever is linked on that page that you're on. Social sharing, you might have to use some sort of other website and enter URL. If you click that, it'll pop up with the default social sharing preview. So your description, your page title, and your logo. The sitemap, again, something that I would have to find like the sitemap XML file or whatever to actually explore the pages that are live on that site. Here, sitemap makes it a little bit easier. As you can see, I have like websites, UX design, a whole bunch of stuff on this website. Here, I can just drill down into the paths. So websites, I can see the pages under there. I can see the pages under UX design. Products that I have, all kinds of stuff like that. Then I also have an internal and external link checker here. So you can easily see all the internal links on a page and all the external links. Again, I don't have any external links on this homepage, but they would pop up there. Now, things that I'm looking at doing in the future are going to be a broken link checker as well. So things like this, you might even have to use like Screaming Frog or some other tool like that. I just thought it might be easier to be right here in this plugin. And then again, hosting details, you might have to find these records online somewhere else to see who hosts a site. I host mine with SiteGround. They use Google Cloud, so that's why it's popping up there. You got the IP addresses and some raw records as well. And then script hosts and cookies. If there is a quick description for cookies, just to give you an idea of what a website's using, see the GA Google Analytics Visitor Identifier, it'll pop up there, and it actually allow you to copy the cookie ID as well. So I'll link the Chrome Store download button for this extension if it seems like it could be useful to you. I'll also link the GitHub if you have any suggestions or anything like that. I'm going to keep working on it, but yeah, for me, I think this is a little bit easier than trying to use 3 or 4 tools to kind of really explore a website. So if it's useful to you as well, give it a download, try it out, and leave a comment if there's any suggestions or anything you have. Thank you so much.